I'm Sarah Borkson-Keeter with NAREITsREIT.com, and welcome to Quick Study, a monthly review of REIT market developments. Today I'm joined by Brad Case, NAREIT's Senior Vice President for Research and Industry Information. Welcome, Brad.
Thank you, Sarah.
So we've seen a lot of topsy-turvy in the market of late. How did REITs perform amongst all that uncertainty?
August was a very difficult month for investors. REIT investors saw the total return on their investments go down by 5.7%. That was actually a little bit better than many parts of the stock market. The broad stock market, the S&P 500 and measures like that were down more than 6% on the month. There really wasn't any safe place to be invested during August. Even bond investors who generally are willing to give up high returns, the hope of the expectation of high returns in order to get a reduction from volatility, even they saw the values of their investments go down during August. So it was really a hard month for everybody. It was a good time to be on vacation and somewhere where you weren't seeing what was happening in the market.
And in times of market uncertainty, what should REIT investors really be focusing on?
If you are paying attention on a daily or weekly basis, then you're looking at that volatility, and you need to ask yourself, do I have the ability to shrug off that kind of a temporary correction in the market? Because what I'm really in the market for is long-term gains. We're still in the middle of what I expect to continue to be a strong bull market in the real estate asset class. The real estate market cycle, remember, is quite a bit longer than the market cycle for other investments. It's about 18 years on average. And we're only 8.5 years into this real estate bull market. So if you're the kind of investor who is investing in real estate because you want to participate in the long-term returns that come from being invested in assets where supply has been very constrained recently, and that has resulted in strong demand growth, strong rent growth, strong occupancy levels, then you really have to say, look, I can tolerate what happened during 1 week in August because I'm going to benefit on a longer-term basis.
And looking at the market on a sector basis, were there any bright spots that you saw?
So it's really hard to find bright spots. In certain segments, you did a little bit better during the month of August. But what most real estate investors will want is a portfolio of exposures to the real estate market cycle, and with those exposures being diversified by property type as well as geographically. And so an exposure to the broad REIT market gives people that kind of geographic and property type diversification while preserving the strong long-term returns of real estate.
Well, great. Thanks very much, Brad.
It's a pleasure.
And for more news and analysis on all things REIT, be sure to visit REIT.com.